Hi guys, welcome to Favors Blog, your one-stop channel for amazing entertainment like no other. Trust me, you're going to enjoy your time here. To be part of this amazing family, please follow us on all our social media accounts displayed on your screen right now. And do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Also, do not forget to like our videos and of course share them across your social media handles so that your friends and family would also be part of this amazing family here on Favors Blog. Now let's dive right in to what we have. This now Open Heavens Daily Devotional in Pidgin English for Friday will be the 25th day of October 2024. Our topic for today now, the fig tree. Our Bible reading now from the book of Mark chapter 11 from verse 12 go shook body enter 20. The next day as they come out for Bethany, Jesus come dey hungry. He see one fig tree for far wey get plenty leaves, so he come waka go look whether fruit dey for the tree. When he reach there, he come see say nothing dey the tree, na only leaves he get because fig season never reach. He come tell the tree say people no go ever chop your fruit again, and his disciples dey hear wetin he talk. When he reach Jerusalem, Jesus enter the temple, come drive all the people wey dey sell and buy for the temple veranda. He throway the people wey dey change money table and the people wey dey sell bread. He throway their share too. Jesus no let anybody take anything wey dey sell pass the temple veranda. Then he tell them, dem write am say, people will call my house prayer house for the whole world, but una don turn am to where thief dey stay. When the priest oga them and the law teachers hear wetin he talk, dem come dey plan how they go take kill Jesus, but dem dey fear because the people surprise for wetin he dey teach them. When evening reach, Jesus and the disciples come comot for the town. For morning, when Jesus and the disciples dey pass, dem come see say the fig tree don die from a root. Peter remember, come tell Jesus, teacher, look, the fig tree wey you curse yesterday don die. Our memory verse for today now, John chapter 15 verse 2. Make we read together. He dey cut every branch wey no dey bear fruit for my body comot, and he dey repair every branch for my body wey dey bear fruit, so that e go bear more fruit. Make we enter today's message. Don't forget to like and drop your comment at the end. For today's Bible reading, Jesus dey hungry. He wan eat fig for one fig tree wey near am, but unfortunately, he no see any fig for the tree. Jesus go curse the tree, and as he curse the tree dry up patapata. Even though sef say not be the season for figs, meaning e no dey natural for the tree to get fruit as at that time when Jesus dey pass, but Jesus still curse am. You go dey think say maybe Jesus not dey fair to the tree, but he dey send message to us what we need to act upon. You no suppose wait for the right conditions before you bear fruit for your master. Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 4 tell us say, any farmer wey dey wait for better weather no go ever plant seed. If he dey look the cloud to know whether rain go fall, he no go ever harvest wetin he plant. If God give a pikin assignment, that pikin suppose to dey work towards the assignment whether the conditions dey comfortable or not. If believers continue to dey wait for the right condition, they no go ever achieve their goal or fulfill their destiny. If you dey look the way the wind dey blow, you no go plant. If you don already plant, if you dey observe the cloud, you no go fit reap wetin you plant. So you must decide for your heart say you go bear fruit even when the conditions around you no suggest for you to bear fruit. When I become the general overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, I get plenty promises from God apart from the covenant wey God get with my father in the Lord about the church great future. All the conditions wey surround the church as at that time no sweet for mouth. We no even get money to even pay the general overseer salary, not to even talk of to get money to establish parishes around the whole world. I been a large gatherings where millions of people go dey gather. We no get the money. Even though the conditions no look right, I still set out to do the things wey God tell me say I go do. When we move enter Redemption City, We not get money to take pay laborers to build auditorium, not to talk of to build city. I go dey work every night with every other members of the church to build the first auditorium. But today, everybody dey see the city wey God promise us. My beloved, if you wait for the right condition before you say you go bear fruit, you go be like the fig tree. And I dey sure say you no wan end up like the fig tree, because Jesus talk for inside our memory verse of today say, any branch wey no bear fruit for e body, that branch they go cut am comot. Wetin come be our key point for today? Our key point from today's message be say, you no get any excuse for failing to bear fruit. Now here we take on to the end of today's message. Don't forget, say the topic where we consider today now, the fig tree. And from inside the Open Heavens Daily Devotional, now we for take this message. Open Heavens Daily Devotional, and a book where you say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, right? And on top this your Delicious channel, Favors blog. Now you take receive the message today. We want to thank all our subscribers. Everybody they like our video, they watch our video. God bless you. But I beg, if you never subscribe, do well to help us hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that anytime we drop video, you could be one of the first persons to know say better don't share. We go see for our next video.